Rosie here from 4x4 and Camping Channel, and today we're out forward driving and camping at this awesome spot of our friends. And like last time, there's some super tough forward driving, tougher than last time, some super nice camping and some awesome fishing and swimming holes just like this one. So I'll keep flicking some lures around, see if I can catch a fish, and if not, we'll get straight to the forward driving. Righto, so we're on our first little stretch of dirt road, heading up to the forward drive track. It's pretty nice and smooth at the moment, but that won't last. That's only be on our first little forward drive challenge pretty soon, I'd say, so I'm looking forward to it. So we're up on our first forward drive obstacle coming out of the water hole. We've got a big steep little climb up here. We've got a first little pinch and then it gets super steep. So we'll film it and see how we go. Yeah, so we got another nice fishing and swimming hole. Not as nice as the last one. We didn't have much luck fishing yesterday, so I'm going to flick some more lures around and probably not do much, but I'll see what I can do.
Here we go, bros, in the big Lux, making the big ascent out of Jimmy's water hole. Oh, good drive, Rab, good drive. Alright, I hear the track. Brosie's about to challenge. Here we go. Relax. Come on, Luxie. Come on, animal. Keep going. Oh, you nearly had it. You're nearly there. You just got one wheel to get up. Keep going. Keep going. Hang on, we've got a wheel left. We better check this out. We're in a spot of bother here, the old Luxie, she's in trouble. Bit of downward pressure on the back wheel. Nah, we're digging holes. Bit of brake, mate.
I tell you what, how awesome is this? That is one seriously hell of a steep track there, and she took a few attempts, but she got up in the end, and that's what it's all about. So we're just going back to camp now, ready to cook up a feed, and that is some seriously steep action there. So yeah, I cannot believe she made it up. She was struggling for a while, but awesome old beast, the Luxie. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.